Hi investors, my name is Jalan Lumaino Tagan and you are watching Your Homes Cebu. We are here at the MEDIAN located at Lahug, Cebu City, and we're going to show you the studio unit. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So since this is a dress-up studio unit, just imagine there is a wall over here and this is your sink. You can actually customize your sink by expanding it and put it till here, and you can put some space for your fridge over here. Over here is your dining room slash bedroom slash living room. You can use a sofa bed to maximize the space. So if you want to watch TV, you can just sit here, and if you want to lay down, you can assemble it into a bed. Set up a table here where you can work, also television unit here. This is your dining area, and for the wardrobe or cabinet, you can put it right here. If you want, you can actually copy the interior design of this dress-up unit so that you can maximize your space. You can position your sofa bed right here, your dining table, and your television unit over there. Over here is the dress-up bathroom. So we have the shower, the toilet and bowl, and your sink. Now that we're done in the dress-up unit, let us now check out the Deliverable studio unit. As you can see, we have a rectangular space, and for window, we have a nice dimension which is good enough for the ventilation of the entire room. Just open this and you will have your fresh air. It's up to your interior design on how you can maximize the space, but as I have mentioned earlier, you can also copy the design of the dress-up unit. You can position your cabinet over here, and beside is your sofa bed, and in the front is your television unit. For the lock, we have three ways. You can use your passcode, you can use your card, or you can use your keys. The sink, this is what will be delivered to you. You just have to add your customized upper cabinet over here. And for your comfort room, you have your sink, your shower, and your toilet and bowl. So that's it, investors. We are also going to feature the one-bedroom merged unit in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again.